My show is just starting. So, how do you like our basement, our little dungeons? This is maybe gonna become some dark room. You never know. You know, this is our usual strategy. We need to lock down, you know, audience to listening us. So yeah, that's the only way to listening us. And please, we have plenty of alcohol drinks. So please drink. The more you drunk, we're gonna be more funny or dummy. I don't know. Yeah, we have a few comedians. Yeah, one or two of them. They're straight person, but don't judge them. They're born that way. You can't do anything about that. So the tagline of our show is "Straight Lives Matter." Yeah, my name is Dennis. I'm from Croatia, and I just moved here. And it was really, really long trip, you know, from Croatia, from Europe to the US. It took me almost 3 months in a ship container. So, yeah, definitely. I'm legally here. And I'm looking for some papers, you know, I'm looking for passport wife or passport husband or passport kid or passport dog. I'm totally open-minded, you know. And yeah, since I got here, you know, I tried to learn about America, about American culture and everything. And I realized people saying here like, I'm so sorry you're going through this when you're having some hard time. Is that true? Yeah. Yeah. So I want to say, I'm so sorry you're going through this with me. Yeah, my English maybe is not so good, you know, and people ask me, oh, where are you from? And I say, I'm from Croatia. And they say, Russia. Can you believe it? They say Russia. And that's really, I'm really mad, you know, because of that. I say, what are you Americans so fucking stupid? You don't know where is Croatia? And they say, no, we know exactly where is Croatia, but your English is like Russian. Yes, so that's why I'm really popular here right now. You know, because Russia, Putin, war. Speaking of Russia and Putin, I heard if you're a gay man, if you're a gay person in Russia, they can arrest you and then you fucked up. Then you fucked up. I mean, my English is not so good, so if I understood correctly, if you're a gay, they can you know, put you in the jail and then fuck you all day, all night. Oh my God, I already booked my flight ticket. Thank you. Yeah. I'm gonna organize some touristic tours, you know, from San Francisco to Moscow. Travel, have fun, get fucked. I'm doing this stand-up comedy for 12 years.
Wow.
I know, you can't tell. You know, I mean, everybody could be like funny comedian. Like, if you're a funny comedian, like, ha, big deal. That's the easy ride. I'm a different type of comedian. I mean, it's easy to be like funny comedian, but try to be one for 12 years with no laugh. That's the courage, that's the persistence, and stupidity, of course. I'm like some kind of superhero. I have that superpower that I can destroy any joke. Like I'm doing right now, so just please don't laugh. Yeah. Sometimes people say, oh my God, you are so artistic. Oh my God, can you repeat it? I want to enjoy that. And say you're fucking autistic. I still remember that special moment 12 years ago when I told my friends, I'm gonna be a stand-up comedian. Everyone laughed. Now I'm stand-up comedian. Nobody's laughing. So fuck you people, believe in your dreams. Just believe in your dreams. I really hate walking a dog. But the funny thing is, I don't have a dog. Yeah, but sometimes I'm dog sit for my friends. Yeah, and it's really hard, you know, when it's raining, when it's cold outside, to get out the warm bed, to dress, and everything, just because of stupid dog needs to take a shit. You know, that's the only moment I think, oh my God, I wish I'm a homeless guy. He has that dog and he don't need to go out, because he's out all the time. All the time, he's walking with the fucking dog all the time, yeah. The other day, I saw some t-shirts. It was really cool t-shirt on some guy. It was like, just because you did it doesn't mean you're guilty. It's pretty cool, and it's some kind of law firm T-shirt. Yeah? It's pretty cool. But I was thinking, is it that maybe some kind of OJ's T-shirt? OJ's T-shirt. Yeah, just that's it. You got me. Thank you so much. He recently died, so he's free again. Right? Yes, and there is some rule, you know, in stand-up comedy. They say you can't make a joke, you know, about somebody. You need to wait like 6 months. No. I say, why? He's still gonna be dead after 6 months. It's not like you're gonna be like from the Hello or whatever, just watching. Oh my God, they're doing, you know, jokes about me in the basement in San Francisco. I'm really upset. I could kill again. Yeah, probably. I also want to talk about some other famous Americans. I don't know, Jeffrey Epstein. What do you say about that? No, yeah. People say, he was an animal, but he was a party animal. He organized such a great parties. I mean, you can have Bill Gates or British Prince Andrew or some shitty party. No, he was like Santa Claus for parties, you know. Yeah, I know, and people say like, yeah, but he brought some young girls, but what was he supposed to do? To bring some grannies? Have you heard about that Titanic? Titanic, that Titan submarine, you know, that explode last year, you know, with that 5 rich motherfuckers. Because they're rich, they need to go to die next to Titanic. Because they're rich and they're so special, you know. Anyway, can you imagine, like 100 years ago, when Titanic was sinking, somebody came to those poor people who were drowning, you know, and said, listen up, this is going to cheer you up. I mean, you're all going to die soon, but this is going to cheer you up. In 100 years, in 2023, people are going to pay $500,000 just to end up at the bottom of the ocean, just like you. And you're going to die for free. Exactly, and they say money can't buy everything. I mean, I totally agree with that, but it can buy some mind-blowing death, you know. It's mind-blowing, thank you. I love hot weather. I love summer that much, people, that I'm supporting global warming. I buy 1 plastic bag every day. Speaking of plastic, have you heard about that Greta Thunberg? She's a Swedish activist that was like 10 years ago. Yeah, she was like a little bit like a retarded girl that was like 10 years ago. Yeah, and she's not a kid anymore. She's a woman now, of course, but she's still retarded. Yeah, not because she's fighting for the earth, because it's already late. I mean, let's face it. Anyway, Greta Thunberg is really mad on adults because we destroyed the planet with the plastic bags. So I have one message to Greta Thunberg. I say, if you want to save the planet, why don't you put that plastic bag on your head and save some oxygen? I know, it sounds brutal. But Gandhi, he said, be the change you wish to see in the world. So yeah, I'm just reading Gandhi and Buddha. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much, and also sorry you're going through this. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, we're almost done. I love Castro so much. I realize Castro is like some kind of the Mecca for gay people, just like the Vatican for Christians. Yeah. Huh? Yeah, you agree? Yeah. But without pedophiles, of course. Thank you so much. I'm so sorry I'm going through this. My name is Dennis. You are great, awesome. God bless America.